It begins now. Minecraft, a multiplayer phenomenon. With so many servers run by professionals, run by amateurs, and a few run by idiots who waste your time. If you're looking to move, or just starting to venture into multiplayer, we have something to show you. Welcome, Minecrafters, Pawncrafters, visitors, YouTube watchers. My name is MC Crinkle. Thanks for watching the introduction. It's a bit long, but it took me quite a long time to do, so yeah, thanks very much. I lie, it took about a day to code and to render. Right, but anyway, you're not here to hear about that stuff. We're here to get you going on your Pawncraft adventure. What is Pawncraft? Pawncraft is a Minecraft multiplayer server with lots of different modes. Basically, it's a very fun place to be, and admins such as myself try and keep it such a place to be. If you've just started on the server, you'll probably end up in an area that looks like this. It's the guest world. It's not the main world, but it is sort of like a little separate area for guests and new members to build stuff and experiment a bit. There's a main world which you can move on to in time. Let me just have a look further down. I think it's near the bottom, you'll find in the corners there's chests. There's an awful lot of spam from NPC people like this called Chest Guy that just say the same thing when you approach them and don't actually do anything. Those are robots. They're artificial human beings that have come from the planet Zog to be on our server and spread messages of peace, harmony and love. This particular one's message of peace, harmony and love, as you can quite clearly see, is get everything you need from my nifty chests. Obviously, we've given them some instruction, but inside these chests you should find materials which will enable you to build some cool stuff. Where do you build it? Well, you can't build it on top of the main guest spawn area because you might make the place look, well, hopefully better, but it's all down to opinion, and a lot of people spent a lot of time working on that, and I happen to think it looks rather good. What you have to do in the guest world is build something nice on this flat grass area, a nice building, a nice something, and then get an admin to come and look at it and examine it. If it's good, then they'll let you build in the main world, which is where all the fun stuff happens. They'll upgrade you to member from guest status, and yeah, you can really start your adventure. This video is just going to deal with everything up to getting started on your main adventure. I'm not actually going to build something here, but I will take you through it. Okay, first off, you won't even be here. You'll need to get onto the server, so let me disconnect. Multiplayer. Oh, I have it here. Delete that. Okay, so when you go to multiplayer, click add server and type something like Pawncraft as the server name, and then the server address has to be pawncraft.co.uk. Sounds like a website address, doesn't it? Okay, but when you put that in and you log on, here you are, you're on the server. You'll probably start back up there though. Yeah, on the issue of websites, let's go to one. Pawncraft.co.uk is also the website. It will bring you to here, the main page, which may or may not look like this. Times change, of course, but this is how it looks now. Okay, yes, there's various areas. There's a home page, there's forums where you can discuss anything relating to the server. Also, there is a world map, which is a top-down view of the main world. There may be other versions added in or slight changes to this, but there's not a great deal of stuff to see on here as we've just got a new map put in. But you will see if you go into the big ice biome that there's the main spawn area here, which we'll get to in time. Just as a little bit of self-advertising here, if you wander over this way somewhat, you will find somewhere that I've already pasted in my city. Here it is. Epica City, right here. It looks alright from top-down view, actually. But it's just pasted in, so it does look a little bit like crap on the map. But anyway, there's that. What else is there? Oh yes, the most important thing, which you'll need to do, whether you remember or not, is go onto the forums, go into Minecraft, server information, and then click on the rules thread and read the top post here. This is rules that we expect everybody to obey. Obviously, it goes into quite some detail. When you do start, you should... oh, that's great. Never seen that one before. You should get a little book, not a bit like this one, but it will be glowing, and it will have a mini breakdown of the rules, right there. But it's basically a handy little guide that will get you started on the right track. And it will tell you all about some nifty stuff you can do. But as I say, you've got to build something in this area using the items from the corners of the Pawncraft guest spawn area. There's some nice stuff here already, really. And once you've done that, get an admin to come and look at it, and they might say that you need to improve it, and they'll give you some tips, or they may say it's enough and guide you to the main world, which is where I'm going to go now. But yeah, you don't have to be a member to get to the main world, but it does help. Right, the landscape has vanished. That's always good. Wow, there's a lot of robot spam here. Let me just... oh no, video settings. Double click that, and that'll get things loading correctly. I don't know why that is, but it just is. Okay, right, so if we go up here, if you have a tool or something, you can click on Admin Hall, which is the only place to go from here. And suddenly, water will appear, and you can jump into the water to get teleported. And here we are at Admin Hall. Now, I presume there's a way out of this to get to the main spawn area. However, I haven't actually been here before, so I don't know. Have a look around. Maybe you can find it. There's lots of sparkly glowstone everywhere. That's me there, MC Crinkle. I could just as well turn it around, and you can see, yep, there I am. And there's my big version. Freaky, huh? Right, but there's another way that you can get to the main spawn area. Just open up your chat and type /spawn. And from there, that will get you to the main spawn area, which is loading here. Which, while it is loading, let's just go and have a look at it, just to prove the point. On the world map, gigantic ice biome just down here on this little outcrop bit. Here we are, and you can see there's the rainbow bridge here, which quite clearly is what I'm on here. Okay. Ooh. Just, well, it's a nice area, obviously. Have a good look around it. A lot of people put a lot of effort into it, but you just need to get down to here. And from here, there are, well, you can, if you want to, just go down and out of this area and explore from there. As I say, as a guest, you can only explore, you can't actually do much. But once you get to member status, you can build, form towns, communities, do all the good stuff. which isn't the aim of this video, so I'm not going to talk about it. But there's these areas here which offer various options for where you want to go. Spawn, no other gate. I'm tempted to turn it on, but it might just crash everything, and I don't want to do that. Okay, but here's some forest spawn areas. You could probably, I don't know, select one of these. Forest spawn. And again, it will animate, and you just jump in the water. And here we are at some sort of forest spawn area, which I've never seen before. But yeah, you can have a look around. But if you want to get back to the guest world at any time, just type /guest spawn, all one word. And here you are, back here, and ready to build. And this is where I'm going to end this video, because I don't want to overload you with information right now. You can go on and read, view the rest of the videos on the Pawncraft channel's page, if you want. But I would probably recommend just having a little go and having a little explore. If you need to type, you can you just literally type hello. Probably no one will hear me. Can't even see my chat for some reason. Am I invisible? Oh, I am. That's why. Hello. Which it's saying that there's someone nearby, which is good. But if it says that no one is nearby, for instance, if I flew miles and 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 miles this way, and went hello, and it says that no one can hear me, just put an @ symbol before your message and type it, and everyone will hear you. For instance, let's prove the point. Hello. Is anyone going to reply to me? Apparently not. I guess everyone's been really ignorant today then. Rah! Rage quit. Right. But anyway, that's everything for now. Have a look around, have a good go, but as I say, keep in mind that you can talk in here, and someone will help you if you get stuck. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you again soon.